Good day, Philippines. This is James Earl Buglosa reporting trending news for today. The jeepney protest against the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program, or PUVMP, was peaceful and quiet. The National Capital Region Police Office said, despite unconsolidated transport groups vowing to continue to play their routes, and CRPO spokesperson Lieutenant Colonel Eunice Salas said there were no reported significant incident and the situation was normal, even as the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board LTFRB ordered yesterday start of anti-colorum operation nationwide. Manila President Mar Valbuena said they would continue to operate because they do not recognize the mass revocation of their franchises, noting that the group still has pending legal recourse to question the franchise revocation and the government PUVMP. He argued that the LTFRB should first seek the approval of Congress before revoking the franchises of thousands of jeepneys nationwide. Philippine Ferdinand Marcos Jr. believes that the Philippines must build more tourism rest areas (TRA) as part of its initiatives to compete with tourism of neighboring countries in Asia. In a speech delivered during inauguration of Luzon's first tourist rest area in Ilocos Norte on Friday, Marcos said that the country faces stiff competition with tourism performance of other Asian countries.
Alam naman natin, Manila Airport is already very congested. So instead of having to go to Manila, to come to Pagudpud, they will have to go all the way to Manila, and then Manila all the way up to Ilocos Norte, for example, as an example. So, like in Cebu, that you already have this, you already have that facility. People can travel from abroad directly to Cebu. People can travel. We will make it so that people will travel from abroad directly to Lawag, directly to Bohol, directly to CDO, directly to Tacloban. All of these other places that we want to promote as tourist destinations.
Filipino consumers should brace themselves for higher electricity bills next month due to additional ancillary services (AS) costs to be remitted to power generators. The National Grid Corporation of the Philippines (NGCP) said it would bill distribution utilities (DUs) like Manila Electric Cooperative and electric cooperatives more than 10 centavos per kilowatt-hour as a result of the partial lifting of suspension of payment of transactions in the reserve market. Earlier this week, the Energy Regulatory Commission (ERC) allowed power generators to recover 30% of the transaction made in the wholesale electricity spot market (WCM's reserve market) during the March billing month. The regulators estimated the partial payments to amount to 1.723 billion pesos. The additional cost that would be passed on consumers would depend on the DU's final computations. The NGCP emphasized the additional AS cost would be reflected in consumers on May billing period, which would be issued next month. That's all for today. This is James Earl Buglosa. Happy weekend.